Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to reduce customer questions about shipping and delivery dates and increase conversion rates by displaying processing times and delivery estimates using the Essential Estimated Delivery app for Shopify. Let's get started by heading to the Shopify App Store. Search for the Essential Estimated Delivery app, and once you're in it, click Install. Once it's installed, you'll be redirected to the app where you'll see a simple setup guide. The first step is to activate the app in your theme settings. Click the Activate button here, or open the Theme Settings button here. This will take you to your theme editor. Just make sure this toggle is turned on, then click Save. Now we can head back to the app. Next, let's create your first delivery widget. Click Create Delivery Widget, and you'll land on the setup page. On the right side, you'll see a live preview of your widget. On the left, that's where we'll adjust all the settings. First, let's give your widget a title. Don't worry, this is just for you. Your customers won't see this. It's only for internal reference. Now let's set up your order processing time. Enter the shortest number of days you need to process an order and the longest. As you adjust these, you'll see the preview update in real time on the widget. This makes it easy to see exactly what your customers will see. Next is the processing cutoff time. This lets you set a time after which orders will start processing the next day. For example, if someone orders after 4 p.m., you can set it to begin processing the following day. You can also choose which days you process orders. Maybe you only work weekdays and want to skip weekends, or maybe you only work on weekends. It's completely up to you. There's also a blocked dates feature for holidays or days you'll be away and can't process orders. Just click Add Blocked Dates. Select a date or range and decide if this should repeat every year or just apply to the current year. Finally, set your order transit times. The shortest and longest days an order might be in transit. Again, any changes you make will show up instantly in the preview. Don't forget to select which days the order is in transit. Maybe during the weekends your transit partner is not working, thus you should unselect weekends. Once that's done, let's move to the content section. At the top, you'll see a description box. This is the text that appears above your widget. You can add emojis, edit the text, or even delete it if you prefer. I'll leave it as is for now. While editing, take a look at the available variables. These are super helpful. They pull in the values you set earlier and update dynamically based on context. For example, the counter variable shows a live countdown until your processing cutoff time. Below that, you can choose your date format. Pick the style you like from the dropdown and change the separator, slash, dash, dot, or space. You can also choose whether to include or exclude the year. Just uncheck the box if you want to leave it out. Next up are the icon settings. You can customize the three main icons, their labels, and colors. Let's start with the order purchased element. You can change the title text or upload your own icon by clicking Change Icon. To go back to the default icon, just click the X above your uploaded image. As mentioned, you can also change the color of your icon. Same settings apply to the order processing and order delivered elements. If you run a multilingual store, the Translations tab is a great feature. Click Add Translation, choose your language from the dropdown, and add translations for the description and titles. Variables work in other languages too. Once added, you can preview the translation by switching the language at the top of the page. Now let's move to the design section. Here you can change the background color of your widget, either a solid color or a gradient. If you choose a gradient, you can adjust the angle and colors. You can also tweak the border radius, add a border width, and change its color. Adjust spacing as well, top, middle, and bottom. You can also change the icon size and progress line width. The progress line color can be a solid color or gradient, just like the background. Finally, there's typography. You can use your theme fonts or pick from the dropdown. Keep in mind, theme fonts won't show in preview mode. You'll need to publish the widget to see them in your store. Feel free to adjust the description size and color, and do the same for titles and date labels. Once you're happy with everything, head to the Placement tab. Here, choose where your widget will appear. By default, it's set to all products, but you can also apply it to specific collections or individual products. I'll leave it set to all products. We are all set now. Click Publish, then click Preview Widget in Store to see it live. As you can see, it fits nicely on the product page. If you want to reposition it, just go back to Shopify and click Reposition with App Block. This opens the theme editor where you can drag and drop the widget wherever you like. If your theme does not support app blocks or you want to place the widget in your landing page, do not worry. You can also position it using our code snippet. You can find it in the same placement tab in our app settings. Copy the code, head back to the theme editor and add a custom liquid block. In the liquid code section, simply paste our code snippet. As you see, it works the same as app blocks. And if you run into any issues, whether it's placement or creation, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team by clicking the chat bubble or contact support button. We'll get back to you right away. Thank you for watching.